In the early 20th century, a small airplane manufacturer embarked on a journey that would redefine the aviation industry forever. This is the incredible story of the rise and fall of Boeing. Founded in 1916 by William Boeing, the company quickly established itself as a leader in aerospace innovation. Their aircraft became synonymous with excellence and pushing the boundaries of what was possible in flight. The journey began with a very humble seaplane called the Boeing Model 1, an aircraft made up with wood, linen, and wire bracing. It had a max altitude of 6,500 feet and a top speed of 65 knots. Boeing didn't find a lot of success in selling this aircraft to anyone in the United States, and only managed to pawn it off in New Zealand where it served them well. Boeing would then go on to create the Boeing Model 200, or the monomail, which has been described by most as the aircraft which modernized or even revolutionized the company. The design of the aircraft was the most complex undertaking the company had ever done. It could carry up to 6 passengers and cargo, had a ceiling of nearly 15,000 feet and a max speed of more than double of the Model 1, at 137 knots. Over the years, Boeing would soar to new heights, shaping the industry with iconic planes like the 747, the 777, and the revolutionary Dreamliner. These marvels of engineering transported millions of passengers across the globe, connecting people and cultures, and showed how much growth was possible in less than 100 years in the aviation industry. Boeing had gone from the company who couldn't sell a single Model 1 to any company in the United States, to being a major supplier of aircraft for the military, and having the most successful narrow-body aircraft in history with the 737. But with success came hubris. Boeing's relentless pursuit of profits and market dominance led to serious oversight. Boeing, a company once known as a pilot's first company, had somehow become a profit-first one. And when you start prioritizing the bottom line over lives, well, it unfortunately only leads in one direction. And in 2019, tragedy struck twice when 2 737 MAX planes crashed, claiming the lives of 346 people. The investigation exposed shocking flaws in Boeing's engineering and safety processes. The fallout was swift and devastating. And all 737 MAX airplanes, which were meant to be the next evolution of Boeing, were grounded worldwide, and the once mighty Boeing faced a crisis that threatened its very existence. The share prices plummeted, orders were canceled, and the company's reputation was shattered. Boeing vowed to learn from its mistakes, to prioritize safety over profits. It embarked on a long and arduous journey to regain the trust of the aviation industry and the public. Today, Boeing stands at a crossroads, a symbol of resilience and redemption. With new leadership and a renewed commitment to safety, the company aims to restore its former glory and become a beacon of excellence once again. The Boeing Saga is a testament to the rise and fall of a titan and a reminder that even the mightiest can stumble. Join us next time as we explore the untold aviation stories that shape the industry.